Welcome to 24/7 Pro Tutorials. In this video, we will go through the estimate editor and cover all the features in detail. Here on the left, we have the scope of work. If you click on this drop-down menu, you can view all the templates that have been selected. If you want to make any changes, you can go back to the scope of work page by clicking on this button. Here at the bottom, we have material furnished by, that you can determine who is furnishing the materials. So if I click on this, I can either choose client, pro, or set as a budget. On the right, you can also set the labor rate. Just below, we have the items lists for this template. The user can make any edits to this list by clicking on this button right here. The user can hide or show the item. And here at the bottom, the custom items can be added as well. You can also delete or rearrange the line items. When all is selected, please go ahead and click on Done. For each item on the left, the user has to select the appropriate tasks from the actual estimate editor. As I go through this list, if I choose the items, I can build the category total and subtotal down here. When the task is selected for the item, the user should click the Next button or click on the item itself to move forward. This section of the screen is the main estimate editor, which is divided into 4 categories for each line item of the template. The top portion is the title section that contains 4 radio buttons to choose whether the item is new or update, no work, undecided, or not applicable. So let's say we have a vanity countertop to install. Then you would choose new or update. If you have an existing one in the bathroom and you don't need to make any changes, you can click on no work. If it is undecided, you can click on the undecided option. This task will be listed on your estimate, but the amount will not be included. If you choose not applicable, this item will not show up on the estimate. Just down below, we have the task section. All predefined tasks will be listed here. The user can change the task, also add a new task from this button below. For each task, the user can change the size, unit of measurement, and rate. There is duplicate and delete options are also available. Each task contains more details to input, and you can access there by clicking the pen icon. The labor unit cost, hours, and labor rates can be adjusted from this section. Also, you can access the material details, update costs, and material quantities, and change the unit of measurement. You can delete these lines or add a new one if you need to. Once you are done, you can go ahead and click on Save, and that will complete this section. The notes are created for our users to provide a quick checklist for that specific item. The user can add a new note, delete, or add into the existing one. The Photos section is pretty straightforward. You can add a photo and display it on your estimate. This section allows you to add a note to your photos. These 4 sections repeat themselves for each item on the left side and has to be completed to summarize the estimate. Please click the Next button to continue and repeat as we described, till you see the summary button turn blue. This indicates that the completion of the estimate. You can access the product tutorials from the support library. If you have any questions about the estimate editor, please let us know at support@247pro.com or send us a message here on the dashboard. Thanks for watching.